from the two hemispheres of the globe, right, that we're on, as you can see here in the corner, upper left-hand corner, the moon actually appears completely upside down in comparison. So if you're in Southern America, South America, compared to Canada, the moon, if you take a picture of it, it's going to be the same image except upside down, right?
Yeah.
So their rebuttal, the flat Earth rebuttal to this, their explanation is that while you're on a flat surface, you look at the moon in the two different hemispheres, say this is the southern hemisphere and this is the northern hemisphere. This is why it looks upside down in comparison to the other person, which doesn't make any sense. And a better way to sort of picture this is if you're on a flat surface, let's say like a massive basketball court or just a flat Earth, right? And you're looking up at a sphere and it says the word sphere on it. Right?
Yes.
And how? And I want people to, you can't explain this rationally. Anybody who says you can is suffering cognitive dissonance or they're a shill. You can't ever, in comparison to one another, see the same image upside down. So if that, how could this word sphere appear upside down to the other person on a flat surface? How could that ever happen on a flat surface? It can't. It can only happen if the two people in the two hemispheres are upside down in comparison to each other.
Exactly.
Now, this would work on a globe Earth, or it would work on a pyramid Earth.
Here I am in my flat living room, heading over to the northern side, my northern hemisphere, spinning back to the middle, where I have my equator that divides my living room in half. I continue south to the southern hemisphere, and we go back north to the equator. We look up, and there's our Shill and the moon. Heading over north, we turn around, we look up at the moon, and there's our Shill and the moon looking right at us. We come back down, head past the equator south to the southern hemisphere once again, and we look up, and there's our Shill and the moon upside down. My living room must be a ball and not flat, according to some logic.